This is Jimmy with Nclose, and right here we have the NCL battery pack, or bat pack as we like to call it. Right here we have the NCL BAT-01, and so this is a 20 watt PD charger. It actually offers you a couple options to charge, which is USB-C or USB-A, or both at the same time. So if for whatever reason you want independent charging and a constant battery, you can use both the Nclose circuit with the single cable, and we have USB-C to micro, USB-C to C, and USB-C to lightning. So depending upon what your needs are, we have a whole array of new cables that are about to launch for you. In addition to our older generation of cables that has the USB-A to micro and USB-A to C, it also has USB-A to lightning. So let us know if you need any of those cables to support this, but in this particular model, we have this side up that will go against the tablet. Notice that there are two holes in the center of the case right above the circle. That's where you're going to secure your module. So you're basically going to take your battery, slide it in, and please note there's two ways to install this. You want the little, I like to call it a tooth, on this side by your charger, because that's going to hold in your battery. So what you do is you just slide your battery in till it stops. Notice you have access to all your ports and the power button. In this case, we have an iPad mini with USB-C. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install this right angle cable into the port and then slide it right in here and go ahead and cable manage my cable. Now, that's all you're going to need to do to set that up. This is a direct connection right to the tablet. You could do a secondary cable to a module or even to our circuit. At the same time, don't forget that this battery option does work with our mounting solution. So you can see that you can go ahead and mount one of our mounts to the system, and it's not going to be a problem to now have battery power in the field for mobile point of sale stations or stations that you need on the go.